Good morning, guys. How's it going? So it is 9:31. Today I think I'm gonna just take a chill day. Not feeling all that great. Woke up, felt like crap, and yeah. So today's just gonna be a cool day. Maybe get my hair cut today. I don't know. But it's gonna be great. All I need is my wrestling duties, and I'm gonna clean up a little bit here, and yeah, we'll hopefully do that as a day. Tomorrow, I promise, is gonna be more exciting. I gotta do errands tomorrow, so yeah. Just saying, best wrestler of all time, Shawn friggin' Michaels. Best wrestler of all time, without a doubt. My God, I found it. This was my very first camera that I used for YouTube, actually. My very first one. And you all guys know what my cyber shot is. I forgot to pick up my cyber shot from my friend James. Oops. So I can't show you like the evolution, but basically this one was first on the cyber shot, and now the foot cam. So yeah, it's gone a long way, guys. I don't think I'm gonna be very good at this.
Tam już ci się nawraziło. Ja nie wiem, czy to jest w ogóle do tego, ale chyba do tego to jest. I don't know. Nie naciskaj, tylko wyciągnij to. Ła, kuźwa, weź zresztą w całą rękę, a nie tam... Tylko to musisz tak nacisnąć, żebyś to uciął. Bo te gałęzie to widzisz, one wiszą w powietrzu. Nie chcę madłem. Z drugiej strony, no.
That's some cheese, huh?
No to ja nie wiem, zostaw to na razie.
Bo tata używa taki pomarańczowy.
Pomarańczowe coś wiem, że to jest,
Recording? Sorry.
Yeah.
Fucking oil.
Why did you use the orange one? That's what it's for. Oh, fuck. These are good. Shit. What the hell is this?
I don't want this. No, I'll put it right there.
Put it right there.
ile on, a nic nie robi. No nic.
He can fucking do it.
Czemu nie ty? Ty możesz też zrobić.
No, I can't.
Yes, you can.
No, I can't. Sadness has struck in the Palace of Wisdom, as I'm going to get my hair cut right now. Yeah. So, this will be the last time you guys see these, luscious locks. Oh, fantastic them. But, well, until they grow back in, like, 2 months. No, not 2 months, like 6 months. Yeah, we'll give it 6 months. Not gonna be 8, whatever. But yeah, I'm gonna go get my hair cut. Yeah. Say goodbye, guys. See, my hair said goodbye. Yes.
Yeah. I did like whiskey here.
But you're here, I safely sit down, so now, right now you probably see your reason. But when I start going, you will see that. Because your hair is very thick here. Yeah, too much.
So yeah, guys, I got a haircut. I think I'm gonna keep it like this, like it looks wet. I'm just gonna gel it now and then, cause it just doesn't look swooped. I don't know. I'll keep it like this, and then I'll just gel it and stuff. I don't know. I miss my old hair. Okay, everyone in the comments say whether I look better in short hair or long hair, so that I can prove to my mom that I do look better in long hair, and then she'll stop fucking hackling me for another haircut next year. So, guys, just leave it in the comments if
You'll get a haircut anyway. She'll freaking punch you in the face if you...
Let me fucking talk! If I look better
Ew.
with short hair or long hair.
No.
Yeah. You guys remember how I showed you this morning how messy my desk was? Just showing you guys, not messy anymore. It's cleaner, nicer. Now all I have to do is just back in here, which is like cable failure because it's all cables, and yeah. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah.